Hi there, this is Faye of Rockstar Client Success Team. In this video, we are going to look at how you can get started using Monday.com as Rockstar Project Management Tool. Monday.com is our main project management tool because it's simple and easy to navigate. In case you are not familiar with it, I'm going to show you how to use it. So here's the overview of your Monday board. To add a task, select Create a new task form from the view list. Click Copy Form Link and open it in a new tab. Once the form is open, you can now proceed with creating the task by filling in all the required information. To start with, first add a task name. Give your task or project a name. Then click Next. Choose the priority level for the task or project, indicating whether this is a low, medium, high, or critical priority. For the project description, please provide a type and a brief description of the video that you need. Kindly refer to our video scope of services for your guidance. You may click this link. Next, text copy that should go on your video. Please provide the script or text copy for the video task, including any dialogue, captions, or on-screen text. You may also upload the document to Google Drive or create it in Google Docs and share the link here. Make sure to grant access to anyone. Next, please include the video size that you need for your video project. Next, you may also include a video reference. Please provide links to videos that you would like to use to us as a reference for this video project. Next, branding guide and digital assets. Please provide your color codes, fonts, and links to your high-quality photos, logos, and other digital assets. You can also place your website URL for additional brand reference. Next, target audience, but this is just optional. Next is special instruction. Type your instructions here. You can place here other useful information that may help your team to create this video project. After completing the task creation, it will appear in the To-Do section of the main board. To verify, simply return to your Monday board and select the main board from the view list. Please take note that the cards are sorted across the board according to progress. Under To Do means the task is still waiting to be started. Processing means the task is already being worked on. Review means the project is waiting for your feedback or approval. And Complete means the project is already done or completed. Additionally, your account manager will be the ones to move the cards from To Do to processing and from processing to under review. Your account manager will also be the ones to put deadlines on the cards before moving it to processing. When you would like to add additional updates, or if you would like to add additional assets for your team to use, just drag and comment on the update section of each project card. Monday does not notify the users, so please make sure to tag your account manager or anyone that you want to talk to. Is there anyone who you would like to be invited to this board? Just ask assistance to your account manager and he will help you with that. Moreover, you can trust that the client success team is your dedicated partner. Feel free to reach out if you have any concerns about your team's performance or if you wish to add additional services or upgrades and downgrades. The Client Success Management team is your best point of contact as we provide the most suitable options and pricing for additional services or upgrades. All you have to do is reach out to us through the board discussion area. Just select discussion on the board options and tag your dedicated Client Success Supervisor. Thank you for trusting Rockstar Web Design Services. We're looking forward to a long-term partnership with you.